In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these crochet wristlets. For the supplies, you will need t-shirt yarn. I used a 6.5mm hook, the hardware for the keychain, and a needle. So to start, you're going to make a slip knot and add that to your hook.
Leave at least a 4-inch tail here.
And then I'm going to put my hook through the keychain hardware first and then make a chain stitch. And then from there, you are going to chain 35. Now you're going to, in the second chain from your hook, you're going to slip stitch in every single stitch. So that'll be slip stitch 34. Now at this point, you're going to slip stitch through your keychain hardware. So you're just going to put your hook through and then yarn over and pull through. And this little string will kind of be in your way. So I like to take that through and pull it through my keychain. So now it's on the back. And then now we need to slip stitch down the other side. So now we're going to slip stitch 34. Now we need to bring the side that we just finished up towards the keychain hardware, and we're going to slip stitch through the keychain hardware. So just yarn over and pull through. And then we're going to do a slip stitch here as well in that second stitch. Now you need to make sure that you have some extra fabric because we're going to secure it and then tie a bow. So go ahead and thread your needle. I want to make sure this is really secure, so I go through multiple times and pull pretty tight. Take it through the keychain hardware, through a stitch, and I go around at least 4 times. We want to end up with both of these pieces of yarn being pulled through to the front. So we'll pull that one to the front and then go ahead and take the other one and I go behind and pull it through the front too, about the same level. as the other one is on. So now we are going to double knot it. And I pull mine pretty tight. And then I can make my bow. And then I just trim my ends to whatever length I think looks good. And there is the finished keychain. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.